Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 6 best black EDC gear and gadgets on Amazon in 2022. Having awesome tech gear and gadgets in your everyday carry, EDC, can make your day-to-day 110% more awesome. The EDC gadget is a new pocket-sized tool that can carry all your essentials while you are out on a keyring or backpack. After all, EDC is all about the gear you keep on your person every single day, and it includes things as seemingly innocuous and practically ubiquitous as wallets, watches, bags, pocket tools, and so much more. So we make a list of top 6 best black EDC gear based on customer reviews and personal opinion. For further information you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
The M16 10KZ designed by Kit Carson features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. The 3-inch dual hollow grind blade has a Tonto tip that is excellent for penetration. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. Glass-filled nylon handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment and also acts as a blade guard. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M16Z EDC series have set the industry standard for quality and value in everyday carry folding knives. The CRKT flashlights are compact illumination tools designed by personal defense expert James Williams. The powerful, efficient LED focus beam is appropriate gear for self-defense, everyday carry, and the outdoors. Each light has 2 modes that are accessed using a click of the bezel. Low mode function is bezel clicked in. First click, displays low light. Second click, off. Third click, displays mid light. Fourth click, off. Fifth click, maximum high beam. Sixth click, off. Seventh click, SOS strobe for emergency situations. Eighth click, off. High mode function is bezel clicked out. 1. Momentary on. Slightly depress the on-off button with your thumb or index finger to temporarily activate the high beam light. 2. Full on. Depress the on-off button until it clicks to fully activate the high beam light. Click to turn off. 3. For strobe on. Depress the on-off button twice to activate the strobe. Fully click the final button to lock in the constant strobe mode. Click to turn off. The tactical applications model is mission ready. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum and coated with a hard black anodized finish, these tough lights are built to last. The body and tail cap have knurling for a positive grip and easy disassembly for cleaning or changing batteries. A clip is also included for quick access. The Tactical Applications light uses two CR123 lithium batteries and is rated at 320 lumens on high, 75 on medium, and 10 on low. The Personal Defense light uses one AA battery and is rated at 50 lumens on high, 10 on medium, and 3 on low. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The James Williams Tactical Application and Personal Defense flashlights are robust illumination tools that are capable of handling a variety of environments.
IWC and black watches go way back. Back in actual fact to 1978, when it produced a compass watch made from anodized aluminium, which at the time was revolutionary. Today, David and I are going to look at the Top Gun ceramic chronograph from 2019, alongside the reference from 2012. Could you begin by just giving us an outline as to how IWC started producing black watches?
In the late 1970s, we had a cooperation with Porsche Design. Ferdinand Alexander Porsche, the famous designer, wanted the black watch. So the first chronograph with a titanium case came out in the year 1981, but it was not enough. We really wanted a material that is striking, that's completely new, and we found zirconium dioxide ceramics. And so, in 1986, the first watch was made with this material. Suddenly, the management decided this cool black material could be something for the world of the pilot's watches. So the first completely black pilot's chronograph was launched in 1994. The idea of the black chrono was then adapted in the 2007 Top Gun chronograph. And here we have an example of the year 2012 with the ceramic case, black watch, highly scratch resistant, and an in-house movement. And the next step we have here, 2019, it's our chronograph with a new in-house movement.
What were the challenges with manufacturing cases from ceramic?
To make the lux and the round case together, this is kind of tricky because you have inside some tensions. So the black chronograph became very, very important for IWC. 2007, we started with the Top Gun subfamily of the pilot's watches. Here, at the next step, 2019, we have the chronograph. So it has got this kind of instrument look and feel. We have a new in-house chrono movement, the caliber 69, which makes the watch also from this perspective very interesting.
The reference produced in 1994 has become an interesting piece for collectors.
Exactly 999 were made of this watch. Taking consideration that it is really the first black pilot's chronograph, it became very, very, very appealing to collectors.
In 2019, we see the use for the very first time of ceratanium. What are the key benefits of a material like this?
It's the combination of titanium and ceramics, and both together makes the watch really, really unique, and I think this is the material for the future.
Wearing a black ceramic watch on the wrist is often counterintuitive to what people think. It's incredibly light, incredibly comfortable, and often flies under the radar.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Viva keychain multi-tool designed by Leon Ma. Essentially, this is just a nice little tool to carry on your belt, hang your keys off of, that sort of thing. It's got a bottle opener right here. It's got a chisel slash screwdriver, flathead screwdriver slash pry bar right there. This is made of a stainless steel. You've got box wrenches right there, a 1/4-inch hex wrench, and a couple other sizes, as well as a lanyard loop right there. Nice thing is you can hang this off your pants if you would like. You can hook your keys to it, roll with it however you would like. Pretty cool little tool designed by Leon Ma. Let me show you a shot of it on my belt loop to give you an idea of how it rides. So pretty cool little tool. The weight on it is 1.1 ounces. Let me show you a size comparison next to a ruler in inches. There you go. Overall length on this is just under 4 inches at 3.9. So pretty cool little tool. Enjoy some brewskis with your broskis, and you've also got that pry and a couple other handy little tools on there. So there you have it. It's called the Viva, designed by Leon Ma. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.